Welcome, and this is how I feed myself, family, and friends. Being retired and on a budget, I find creative ways to growing food at home. With all the craziness going on in the world today, I think it's a very good time to learn how to grow your own food. You can feed yourself or somebody you love, or even a stranger in time of need. To tell you the honest truth, I've been struggling in the garden for the last few weeks. Trying to get something to grow has been a challenge. Welcome to my channel, folks. My name is Dean. The trick is to adapt and overcome and keep moving forward. So let's get started, shall we? Let's talk about the jig. I call it a gabby. I made this little box contraption to help hold the rain gutter so I wouldn't have to buy an end cap. Now I'm using a little propane torch, but it's obvious a heat gun would be a lot better. And then by using a small mason jar with a handle, I just gently push down on the edge of the downspout, hold it there for a few seconds so it cools off, and there you have it, an end cap.
Perfect.
Now let's get to the garden update. The mint. What a disaster. Got a bunch of white powdery mildew. Now for the water spinach. It's growing back fantastically. I'll let this grow out, see if we can get another harvest out of it. Now for the white radish. They're looking awesome. I hope I can get a harvest out of these. I did plant some lettuce seeds, and if I can get these to sprout and grow, we'll be putting these in a big system. Big system is clean and ready to go. And always, folks, cultivate kindness and stay tuned for next week's update. Thanks for watching.